Guys, back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a custom logo for your YouTube videos, or your YouTube profile picture, sorry. So let's get right into it. You have to click on the link in the description, which will take you to the Pixlr Editor again. We're going to go to create new image. We're going to leave the width at 800, but we're going to turn the height to 800 as well. So it is a circle. Yes. And then we're going to click transparent and OK. We can give it a name if you want. You can do it later though. So let's get right into this. What you're going to need to do is you're going to grab a text box or type tool, and you're going to plunk it somewhere and then put whatever letter you want down. So I'm going to be P, for example, because yeah. So we're going to move this. You're going to change the size to max. We're going to change the size to max, but as you can see, logos usually have pretty big letters, so this is still pretty small. You're going to want to change it to white for reasons I will get into later, and then select OK. If you don't want that, select OK. But this is still looking pretty small, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to take the move tool, move it, you're going to center it, and then you're going to right click here, and then see rasterize layer, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to edit, free transform, and then you can edit it just like it was a picture. So you're going to edit, oh dang it, I forgot to press shift. Remember to press shift so it doesn't mess up the distortions unless you want it to. So this looks about good for me. I'm going to tilt it at an angle just a little bit, just so I can do that. Yes, I want to apply changes, but you might be wondering, well, what if I don't kind of like the way it looks? What if I want like a texture? So then you're going to Google textures, and then you're going to go in layer, open image as layer, and then select your texture. Oh, sorry. And then boom, this appears. Edit, free transform. Going to max it out the entire page, or no, at least where you think it maxes out your letter, and then go here, yes, apply the changes. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on your letter layer, the layer your letter is on, and then see this magic wand tool over here. You're going to click on that, and then go over here and click where you think your letter is. So mine's right here. It's got the outline. What you're going to do after that is right click and go to invert selection. So you've inverted the selection. When you're done with that, you're going to go back to your layer that the texture is on and delete it. And you cannot use the delete button right here. You have to use the delete key. And if you are on a Chrome web browser, you can press Alt backspace, sorry. That'll be delete. But this is what the final touch looks like. So when you're done with that, and you want a background, or say you don't like this, say you don't like the color of this, you can change it by going to adjustment, hue and saturation. Here, let's move this out of the way, and then we can change it. You can do this. You have to check colorize. Sorry, and then you can change the color. You can do the light. You can change the lightness. You can change the saturation, and you can change the hue. So you can change that, and then press OK once you're happy with it. And then once you're done with that, I mean to click on that. You want a background for it so it doesn't look absolutely bland. So you're going to go to Layer, Open Image as Layer, and say I want this to be my background. So open it. As you can see, it's tiny. Edit, free transform. Oh, dang it. Edit. Yes, want to apply changes. Edit, free transform. And then, oh, dang it. Boom, maximize the entire page. I don't care if no, dang it. Free transform. Here we go. There we go. We got our background. And then we're going to apply changes. But then we're going to take the layer and drag it below the layer that your letter is on, so your letter appears right here. So, pretty good background, right? So once you're done with that, you're going to go to File, and then you're going to go to Save. You can give it a title now. I would keep it a JPEG, but turn the quality up to 100. And then you can save it if you want. You can save it if you want. I'm not going to, saying as I have lots of other photos saved up. So you can save it and then upload it to YouTube as you would normally do so. So thanks for watching. Hope you all had a good time. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later.